Turn it around. Dolls for your house.
Open.
Open the other present first. Those are cute.
Yeah, and their legs are like wiry. They bend all different ways. It's going to be perfect for the house. You gotta have people to live in your dollhouse. They even had a little pet set.
Oh, really?
Dog house and the little doggy bowls and
She likes that.
yeah.
You gotta practice for your party. Whoa.
Kathy and Robin are coming for sure. That's all that I got back.
Yeah, I got that.